Hi everyone, this is DailyChilli, episode 51. So today I'm just gonna talk about anxiety and how I overcome to anxiety and anxiety for the last couple of years. Most of my life, without noticing, I've been suffering about like how to be like anxious. And one of the things that I used to do was to eat, eat a lot. Also beating my nails, which sometimes I still doing that. But like one of the things that helped me to relax, no matter all the things that you have to do during the day, is to do meditation. So with meditation, I started 4 years ago. I started doing like a transcendental meditation. Now I have my own kind of technique. And basically I just sit for 20 minutes twice a day and try to relax, don't think about anything. It's very difficult at the beginning. There's many different techniques. One is to count backwards, starting from 100 and then start over again. So that keep your focus on this specific task, like to count, and that helps at the beginning. Also, there is another kind of like to imagine a point in your mind and then focus on that point and only that point. Today's Chinese sentence is 我没有照相机. En español, no tengo cámara. Okay? And today's password for my daily post is cámara in español. Okay? See you guys. Bye.